This, ladies and gentlemen, is a new range of cases and screen protector for the all new Galaxy S26 Ultra. Yep, you read that correctly. So we've got the armor case, the Aurora, the armor tint, armor rigid, and armor and a glass screen protector, which we'll pop to one side for the moment. Now they've sent us out the dummy model for the phone, so just to be clear on that, we're just showcasing these cases today, and you might see a review later on with the real phone, depending how Samsung are, because they sent us out none last year. Cough cough. So this is it. Let's go through them one by one. Right, every Kevlar fibre defines strength throughout limit is on the back of this, and their cases are pretty cool. We've been using them for a while, and that's pretty much how their cases are. They are excellent cases. Let's get things moving. Right, you can slide them out from the bottom. And there we are. Really nice finish in this, and you can see you've also got nice material as well up around here. Wireless charging inside. Super thin, super light. Let's pop this one on and have a look and see what it looks like. So as you can see there, that the lens area is protected. You've got a space for your keys cut out there. Ports on the bottom, tin there, no problem with cables. And of course you've got access to your S Pen. And that's the front of it there. There's a small lip top and bottom. So it means you can put your device face down, but it also allows for screen protector as well. And that's pretty much it there. Obviously you can't test wireless charging because it's a dummy. But this is just to show you what they all look like. To give you a heads up per se. So that's the armor case. Next up is the armor rigid. So we'll just get this out again. And sometimes it's a bit challenging to get these out, but they come out. So this is this guy here. Pop on the case. They all just simply slide on, nothing to it. And we get it from this end. Like so. Again, you can see the lens area is protected. And again, on the side. Now, unfortunately with the S26 Ultra, like the last version, it's going to rock on the table depending on the case you have on. And Benks have chosen to put this guy on here, which I think aesthetically looks much better. Anyhow, I wouldn't be too bothered about the rocking thing anyway. Down on the bottom here, you've got your S Pen again, speaker, USB port. And all looks pretty good. Again, the cut out on the sides for the button. And that's what that's going to look like there, which is pretty good. Put a bit of light up there for you. So we'll move on to the next case. Which is the armor tint. Kevlar again, and all that kind of stuff. Everything is there. Let's pop this one out. Yeah. Right, this one looks really nice. And again, we'll pop on like so. Clips on like that. Again, you've got your cut out on the side here for your keys. There's no problem with the keys on that at all. As you can see there, down on the bottom then, access to everything. You've got a lip on the front, again, on the corners as you can see. So again, you can put your device down like this, no problem at all. Nice kind of grip on the back here. And everything is there, yet again. That's what I like about these cases. Nice and simple, and I love the way they have the design around the camera area as well. It's always been nice. And you can see there, you've no problem accessing the keys there whatsoever. Like the gap in between is literally nothing. So that's pretty much it for the whole lot. So we'll get this one out. And move along. Pop that one back in. Next up, the Aurora. That one came out fairly snappy. So pop that on. I'm actually going to pull off this screen protector. There's the S26 Ultra dummy model. And again, just slide it across like that. No problems there. You got your ports on the bottom there, S Pen, USB port, mic, all clear. And you can see closely there's a lip again on the edge. If I just bring it up closely, you can see it there. Will protect your device. Putting the face down, camera area again, nicely protected. And again, no problem accessing your keys. The keys actually do work. They seem to be fairly tactile and that. And that's it. No problem having the face down. And again, the nice additional kind of grip you get in the back with this material here, which I think is pretty cool. Really like it. So we'll move on to the final case. And just pop that in there. Which is the armor. Now, that one came out fairly snappy. And I'll move that off. And that's that. This got a nice texture as well. This one has got key buttons. So this one's slightly different. Again, you've got your magnetic power here for wireless charging and so on. Mag clap. And again, you can see the slight little difference of the bezel or the camera area. So that goes in like so. Yet again, you can see there the lens is protected, and that's the buttons are tactile on this, but obviously we can't show you because it's a dummy. You've got your ports on the bottom here and your S Pen. These are completely covered down here. Same over here with the keys. A little bit different when it comes to the final overall design in this case, and I think I prefer something like this, but nonetheless either case is fine. You can see there's a lip going around the entire top of the phone as well there, so there's room there for the case too, which will allow you to put down the device on its back like that, or like this here. But you still have that rock, but that's here nor there. That's a personal choice, and that's just a look at the front of it there as well. So that's basically it for the cases. Choice is yours at the end of the day, which one you want to pick and want to use. And with that, Benks give you all that, which is excellent. Something for all pockets. And this is the screen protector, which I won't put on and waste just in case I get one, but we'll show you what's in the box. But I have one on a couple of phones I have there, and they've been great and operating fine still. So, anti-reflection, HD clarity, enhanced explosion proof, and scratch resistant. And basically that's it there. So let's have a look at this. So in here you get a sticker, bit of foam, and of course you get the tray to make it simple. Put this on the top, put this on the bottom. You can't get any easier to put on the screen protector, which is quite handy, and a lot of companies seem to be doing it now. You get your installation kit in here, which would be a squeegee and a cloth for cleaning, and that's it. It's basically set up to go as is. So what you do is pull that off and Bob's your uncle, it's on. Pretty nice, simple job, as it should be, and many other companies should follow suit. I know some are doing it, offering you this as well, but it just makes life a lot easier, because even myself, I've wasted screen protectors with not a kit like this, but just sticking them on normally, and sometimes you can just get ruined after one application and you won't stick proper again. But that's really about it, folks, for the Benks range of accessories for the S26 Ultra. And stay tuned for more cases. We'll probably have some more in. Still undecided about the device itself yet, whether we'll take it in or not. But good reason for that. Those who know. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cool tech on techbuzzer.com, and stay tuned for the rest. So you've got this, the armor, the aurora, the armor tint, the armor grid, and finally the armor. So that basically wraps it up, guys. You have a choice. Go check them out, and also don't forget to pick up a screen protector when you're there. Thanks to Benks. See you in the next video.